Hello, coding students. This tutorial is just an example based on the assignment you guys are going to do today in class, which is going to roll into tomorrow as well. This is the jogger and the shoe salesman. It's a conversation between two people. Yesterday, in my first period class, we used Nate's experience with working with Napa and being a customer, or sorry, being an employee and helping a customer. So I'm just going to do a quick tutorial of kind of what your dialogue should look like. It doesn't have to look exactly like this, but something that resembles dummy proofing, guiding the user to a certain end result. So let me just quick give my code a run here. So howdy, how can I help you? And there I should have some sort of response, or can I help you? It should be like a yes, no, or something like that. So I'm going to put that in there, but for now, I'll just put down yes. And then it looks like my sentence is kind of bleeding into the response of the user on the right-hand side. But do you see how it says brakes, oils, and it's supposed to say windshield wipers. So you're guiding them into one of those responses. So let me just kind of get out of here, doctor that up a little bit. Like I said, this should right here, the question, can I help you? I'll put yes/no. You're letting them know that that's the response you're looking for. So if it is yes, then I go to Q1. If it's no, then I believe, okay, see you later, and I will end the program right here. But if it's not, then I'm going to go to, well, I'm going to go to, I guess, the original question. I'll just put a line 15. And that is going to be, actually, I should say some sort of prompt like, I don't understand what you mean, or whatever. So I'll do a quick locate. How about 4,6 print? I'll say again. And then I'll go to 15. I may need to put, no, I think I'll be okay. I'll go to 15 right here. I'll put line 15. So let's take a look at, well, before I do that, I wanted to shorten this sentence up right here. It needs to be, it's too long. So I'll hit double quote right here to end that one. I'll locate 5,6. I'll keep it color 1 and just print double quote, and there we go. Okay, so here, let's go ahead and give it a run, test it out. How can I help you? Yes, no, that looks good. I'll say some gibberish in there, and I will say again, prompting me to put in one of those correct. Now you could erase my response. I think we talked about how you can do that. Next is going to be, what are you looking for? Brakes. There we go. So at this point, you know, I don't really have anything set up, but I could type in oil or brakes, so forth. So this is the first question right here. You could do a clear screen after every time you pose a question. Actually, I could put a clear screen right here if you wanted to. Let me just finish this up. If ANS $ equals, what is that? The first one is brakes. Then you may want to go to, I don't know, question number, I guess it's really question number 3, not question number 2. I'll just keep rolling here. We have the next one is oil. That's also going to be going to question number 3 after we get that response. And what's that? Windshield wipers. Go to Q3. And if it's not one of those choices, I will throw a dummy proof in there. Just a quick another locate. Do a 5,6. Color 1, print, say again. And of course, you can create your interface how you want to do this. But I do want to go back to, let's see here, Q1. What seems to be the issue? Oh, I forgot my colon right here. Now I'm not going to be able to run this until I at least give a label here, Q3. Okay, let me give it a run so you guys can see it. Can I help you? Yes, you can. Looking for brakes, oil, so I'll just put some gibberish in there. And it doesn't look like say again shows up, or if it does, it just kind of flashes. But let me go ahead and put brakes, and then it finishes out. So why did it not show up? Oh, I do have a 5, 6, so maybe it should be 6,6 right here. And let me give it a go again. Yes, and yes. Okay, so oil, I'm surprised it didn't clear the screen. So let me just check why did it not clear the screen, because I skipped over right there. So that clear screen, maybe I want to put this right here. And I'll test it one more time. So if I hit yes, it clears the screen. On to the next question. All right, so this is kind of how you want it to roll out. So you have to prompt them with 3 choices for each of the questions, and take a look at the directions. I think I have it listed out. The next, after you ask these certain questions, be sure that you have a output saying, thank you for buying windshield wipers at a cost of whatever. Do the best you can. Have fun with this, be creative, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.